Understanding library import errors.
Library import errors happen when your code cannot find or load the software libraries it needs. These errors are common in many programming languages, such as Python, Java, and JavaScript. Understanding the root cause is the first step. Errors may result from missing installations, incorrect paths, or mismatched versions. Knowing how these errors occur will help you resolve them faster.
Double-check library installation.
A common cause of import errors is that the required library is not installed. For example, in Python, use pip install library name to add missing packages. In Node.js, use npm install. Make sure the spelling matches exactly, as typos can lead to errors. Always confirm that the installation process completes successfully before trying to import the library again.
Check your import statements.
Incorrect import statements are another frequent source of errors. Library names in import statements must be spelled correctly and use the right syntax for your programming language. In Python, for example, import pandas is different from import panda. Be mindful of case sensitivity and any submodules you may need to import directly.
Resolve environment and path issues.
Sometimes the library is installed, but your coding environment can't locate it. This often happens with virtual environments or when multiple versions of a language are installed. Ensure you are running your code in the correct environment and that the library's path is accessible. Activating the right environment usually resolves path-related import errors.
Match the library and language versions.
Version conflicts between your project and the library can trigger import errors. For example, some libraries are only compatible with specific versions of Python or Java. Check the documentation for required versions and consider updating either your language or library to ensure compatibility. Tools like pip-freeze or npm list can help you review installed versions.
Search documentation and community forums.
If basic fixes don't work, consult the library's official documentation or popular programming forums. Often, someone has encountered your exact issue and posted a solution online. Forums like Stack Overflow offer guidance on troubleshooting steps, error messages, and version compatibility. Turning to community resources can quickly lead you to effective solutions.